number ending 16890 on the 1st of October 2020 at 19:49:32 seconds sends a PCM or please call me message to Mr. Mjiako's number 079-03-97605.
Inamba yakho egcina ngaye u16890 nge1 ku-October 2020 isikhathi u1949 ama-second awu32 yathumela please call me kwinamba kaMjiyako u079-039-7605.
Your number ending 6890 on the 12th of October 2020 at 18:42:07 seconds sent a PCM or please call me message to Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605.
Number yakho egcina ngo6890 nge12 ku-October 2020 isikhathi u18:42 ama-second awu7 yathumela please call me kwinamba kaMjiyako egcina ngo7605.
Do you have any comment, Mama Ntanzi, regarding the PCM messages that appear on this page?
Laba please call me ababonakalayo lana ukhona officer ukusho. My lord, I had no phone.
Right, if you can turn the page over to page 192 of 200, still case ID 1031227, still exhibit DD5E Roman figure 1. Your number ending 6890 on the 19th of October 2020 at 09:52:45 seconds sent a PCM or please call me message to Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605.
Number yakho egcina ngo6890 nge19 ku-October 2020 isikhathi u9:52 ama-second awu45 yathumela please call me kwinamba kaMjiyako egcina ngo7605.
And just less than a minute later, your number ending 6890 on the 19th of October 2020 at 09:53:09 seconds sent a PCM or please call me message to Mr. Mjiako's number 079-039-7605.
Wathi emva nje komzuzu owodwa inamba yakho egcina ngaye u6890 nge19 ku-October 2020 isikhathi u9:53 ama-second awu9 yathumela please call me kwinamba kaMjiyako u079-039-7605.
Mr. Ntanzi, do you have any comment regarding these two PCMs of the 19th of October 2020?
Kukhona ongakusho ngalaba please call me ababili bange-19 ka-October 2020?
Mina phambi kosenkantolo ngithenga ngenafoni ifoni ngehlona ngo-June 16.
I said it before this court, my lord, that I had no phone. I parted with my phone on the 16th of June.
If you can turn the page over to page 193. It's page 193 of 200, case ID 1031227. Your number ending 6890 on the 27th of October 2020. You'll recall that that is the date on which you appeared at the Boksburg Magistrate Court at 080433, sent a PCM, or please call me, message to Mr. Mjiako's number 0790397605.
Inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 nge-27 zika-October 2020 uzokhumbula ukuthi ilanga leli owavela ngalo enkantolo eBoksburg isikhathi 080433 amasekendi. Yathumela please call me kwinamba kaMjiyako 079 039 7605.
Do you wish to comment regarding this PCM message
No,
of the 27th of October 2020?
Ukhona ofisa ukusho ngalo please call me wange-27 October 2020?
mina ngingenafoni bambo Nkosi ifoni nahlona ngoJune 16.
I had no phone, my lord. I parted with my phone on the 16th of June.
And labo callback abaveza amathawu ukuthi nganomcallback ukhojekwa kiphi ithawa yakhona.
And these please call me's, my lord, do not indicate the towers as to from which tower was the please call me sent.
Ngoba mina ngalesikhathi lesi uyasho umshushisisa ngisecourt.
Because at this particular time, as the prosecutor is indicating that I was in court or was attended court.
Yes, you were due to attend court on the 27th of October 2020.
Yebo, wawuzovela enkantolo nge-27 ka-October 2020.
Now, altogether, the 12 PCMs sent from your number 6890 to Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605 from the period 31 August 2020 to 28 October 2020.
Behlangeneke please call me abathunyelwa ke babe u12 bebuya ke kuyona inamba yakho 6890 beya kuyona ke inamba kaMjiyako egcina ngo7605 ukusuka ke nesikhathi i31 October 2020 kwayofika ke nge28 ukusuka uqala nge38 31 August 2020 kuyofika nge28 October 2020.
Mina ngiyakuzwa akushopa makato mara mina ngangenafoni.
I hear what you are saying before the court, but I had no phone.
Ngoba lapha namanje lokho ngikhalile phambi kwecourt. Mangathula ubuko sona lesikhathi esi-call back ngaso phinde nemba kaMabhena ngezathi nayo call back here. Ukuthi lenze izinto bezikahle kahle kwenzakalani ngale phone.
Because I complained before this court, because if you look at the time when the please call me was sent, at that very same time, Mabena's number was also sent a please call me. So you then ask yourself, what is it that is happening?
Ngehla ebani 084 leba abathe kaMjiyako lega Mabhena iwanthi naye yabona kushiyanza nesikhathi esincane ama-second.
There's just a difference of seconds in time with regards to this number that is claimed to be Mjiako's number and Mabena's number.
Thank you. Can we then move to the calls between your number ending 6890 to Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605. Starting at page 15 of 200, Exhibit DD 5E, Roman figure 1. Still case ID 1031227. the fourth line from the bottom, your number ending 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 19:18:58 received an incoming message, text message, or an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from Mr. Mjiako's number 07903976605.
Uma siza ke manje kuxhumana ke ngocingo phakathi kwakho kwenamba yakho kanye ke nenamba ekuyiyona ke yakhe umnumzana uMjiyako. Number yakho igcina ngo6890 ngazo 10 kuSeptember 2020 isikhathi u1918 namasecond awu58. Yathola ke umlayezo phecelezi ke iSMS ebuya kuyona ke inamba yakhe uMjiyako u07903397605.
Do you have any comment regarding this call that appears on this page?
Khona ngakusho la nalokho okuvela la.
Mina akukho engingakusho phambi kwenkantolo ngoba ngangena phone. Ifone ngahlwana ngoJune 16.
There's nothing that I can say before the court because I had no phone. I parted with my phone on the 16th of June.
Ungiphinda futhi ngitshene icourt ukuthi namanje la ifone kaMabhena ngeke sekulandela le phone othina kaMjiyako.
I again repeat what I said to the court that just above this number that you said it's Mjiako's number, it's Mabena's number, and then it is Mjiako's number underneath.
Now 7 futhi isikhathi esi1.
At 7 the same time.
Can you just identify the number which you say belonged to Sergeant Mabena?
Ngicela uyisho le number le uthi eka Mabena
076
076
14
14
00
00
918.
918.
Okay. If you turn the page over, in fact, the next page is page 32 of 200, case ID 1031227, still part of exhibit DD 5E Roman figure 1. Your number ending 6890 on 21 September 2020 at 18:52:02 seconds made an outgoing call or an MOC lasting 38 seconds to Mr. Mjiako's number 07903976605.
Inamba yakho egcina ngo6890 nge-21 kuSeptember 2020 isikhathi u18:52 amasecond amabili iyona ke eyenza ke i-call noma ke eyashaya ucingo kwaba amasecond awu38 eshayela yona ke inamba kaMjiyako eku079 0397605.
Then 50 seconds later, your number ending 6890 received on the 21st of September 2020 at 18:52:52 seconds received an incoming call or an MTC lasting 113 seconds from Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605.
Masekuthi ke emuva ke kwama-second awu50 inamba yakho egcina ngayo u6890 ngazo i-21 kuSeptember 2020 isikhathi u18:52 ama-second awu52 yabe isithola ucingo ke olubuya kwinamba yakhe uMjiyako u079 0397605. leyo call ke yathatha ama-seconds awu113.
Then your number ending 6890 on 21 September 2020 at 19:42 and 20 seconds received an incoming call or an MTC lasting 121 seconds from Mr. Njiako's number ending 7605. The tower is Queenswood, and the previous two calls, the towers are also Queenswood NGA.
Wasekuthi ke inamba yakho egcina ngo6890 ngazo i21 kuSeptember 2020 isikhathi u1942 ama-second awu20 ngiyathola ke ucingo olubuya kuyona inamba kaMjiyako u0790397605 leyo call ke yathatha ke isikhathi ngama-second awu121 ithawa yakhona ke u3G Queenswood NGA nala amabili ke asefundiwe ama-call nawo amathawa awo iQueenswood.
That call that we started with on the 10th of September 2020, on the first page, the tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Lena besiqale ngayo kule page lena ke yange-10 kaSeptember 2020 nayo ke itower i3G Queenswood NGA.
Do you have any comment regarding these calls of the 21st of September 2020?
Kukhona kongakusho ngalama call lana sekufundwe amathathu manje 1 2 3 ange-21 kaSeptember 2020.
Mina phambi kosengatelo ngisamile ngaphendula mina ngangenafoni ifoni ngahlona ngo-June 16.
I still maintain the same answer, my lord, before the court. I had no phone. I parted with my phone on the 16th of June.
Lapha ekhoti kuthiwa uthwena court mina uMjiyako ummeli wami.
You are saying before the court that Mjiyako was my legal representative.
Manje ngicela ukungilula ngengqondo ukungilapha ukuthi mawuthi uMjiyako wakummeli wami 23 24 25 ikhona le contact la kulama contact la mawuthi wena mina ngangiqasha uMjiyako bethi wakummeli wami ngicela nje ukungilaphe lapho phambi kwecourt.
If you can still be of assistance to me and show me if there are any contacts for the 23rd, the 24th, as well as the 25th, if you are saying that Mjiyako was my lawyer and I had appointed him to just indicate to me those contacts if they are listed here.
Yes, we will be covering some of those dates up to the 27th of October 2020.
Lawo ma dates ke seza kuze kuyofika ke nge-27th October 2020. Okay.
The next calls are found on page 45 of 200, case ID 1031227, still part of Exhibit DD, in brackets 5E, Roman figure 1. Your number ending 6890 on the 1st of October 2020 at 19:47:35 made an outgoing call, an MOC, lasting 5 seconds to Mr. Njiako's number ending 7605.
Number yakho igcina ngo6890 nge-1 ku-October 2020 isikhathi u1947 nama-seconds awu35 yona ke eyashaya ucingo ishayela inamba kaMjiyako eku-079 039 7605 ama-second awu5.
In about 3 minutes later, your number ending 6890 on 1 October 2020 at 19:50:46 seconds made another outgoing call or an MOC lasting 27 seconds to Mr. Njiako's number ending 7605.
sekuthi ke emuva ke kwemizuzu emithathu leyo engaphambili ke i-call inamba yakho egcina ngaye u6890 ngazo i1 ku-October 2020 isikhathi u9:50 ama-second awu46 phinda yashaya ucingo ke ishayela inamba yakhe umjiya ku0790397605 ama-second awu27.
Do you have any comment regarding these calls of the 1st of October 2020?
Ukhona ngakusho ngalama-call angeyi-1 zika-October 2020?
mina ngisho phambi kwekhoti ukuthi ngangenafoni ifoni yake yathathwa ke-module system ufoni.
What I'm maintaining before the court is that I had no phone, my lord. 2 phones were confiscated from me on the 16th of June.
If we can then turn the page over, it's page 54 of 200, still case ID 1031227, exhibit DD 5 in bracket E Roman figure 1. Your number ending 6890 on the 7th of October 2020 at 10:05 and 38 seconds made an outgoing call or an MOC lasting a second to Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605 in the Tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Inamba yakho egcina ngo6890 ngeyi7 October 2020 isikhathi u10:05 ama-second awu38 yashaya ucingo ishayela inamba kamjiyako egcina ngo7605 isecond elilodwa iTower 3G Queenswood NGA.
Do you have a comment regarding the call of the 17th of October 2020?
Khona ngakusho mayela ke nocingo loluke langayi7 October 2020?
Kusenkantolo ngangenafoni.
My lord, I had no phone.
If we can then turn the page over, it's page 55 of 200, case ID still 1031227, still exhibit DD 5 Roman figure DD5E Roman figure 1. Your number ending 6890 on the 7th of October 2020 at 11:23:40 seconds made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 94 seconds to Mr. Mjiako's number 7605, the Tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Inamba yakho egcina ngayo u6890 ngeyi7 ku-October 2020 isikhathi 11:23:40 ama-second iyashaya ucingo ke ishayela inamba kamjiyako eku-079 039 7605 ama-second awu94 iTower 3G Queenswood NGA.
Your number ending 6890 still on the 7th of October 2020 at 11:35 and 14 seconds made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 228 seconds to Mr. Mjiako's number 07903976605.
Inamba yakho egcina ngo6890 sekuzona 7 October 2020 11:35 ama-second awu14 iyashaya ucingo ishayela inamba kamjiyako u-079 039 7605 ama-second awu-228 tower 3G Queenswood.
So in addition to the previous page, 3 calls were made on the 7th of October 2020.
Uma singeza-ke kwi-page-ke sesidlulile kulona besibukile kuqala-ke kunamakholika angezelekile amathathu angeyi-7 zika-October 2020.
Do you have any comment regarding the 2 calls on this page?
Kukhona-ke ongakusho mayelana-ke nalama-call amabili-ke akule page lena?
Because enkantolo ngangenafoni.
My lord, I had no phone.
Ifoni ithathwa ke ngo-June 16, 2 phone.
A phone was taken from me on the 16th of June. 2 phones.
The next page is page 79 of 200. It's case ID 1031227, exhibit DD in brackets 5E Roman figure 1. Your number ending 6890 on the 27th of October 2020 at 08:12:54 received an incoming call lasting 33 seconds from Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605.
Number yako egcina lo 6890 nge-27 October 2020 isikhathi 08:12 ama-second awu-54 yathola ucingo olubuya kwinamba kamjiyako 079 039 7605 yathatha-ke ama-second awu-33.
As we indicated with the PCMs, this was the date on which you were due to appear at the Boksburg Magistrate Court.
Nanjengoba besishilo-ke mayelana nabo-ke please call me ukuthi lena-ke leli kwakuyilanga owawuzovela ngalo enkantolo yase-Boksburg.
Then your number ending 6890 on the 27th of October 2020 at 08:22:21 was called by Mr. Mjiako's number 7605. The call went to voicemail as a call forward lasting 3 seconds.
Inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 nge-27 October 2020 isikhathi 8:22:21 yathola-ke ucingo olubuya kunamba kamjiyako 079 039 7605 kwakuwama-second amathathu lapho-ke icingo lolo-ke lwaya ku-voicemail.
Then 4 minutes later, your number 6890 on the 27th of October 2020 at 08:26:41 was called by Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605 at 08:26:41. The call went to voicemail as a call forward lasting 3 seconds.
Muvake kwemizuzu emine inamba yakho 6890 ngazo i-27 October 2020 isikhathi 8:26 ama-second awu-41 yathola-ke ucingo olalubuya kuyona inamba kamjiyako 079 039 7605 yaya-ke ku-voicemail kwakuwama-second amathathu.
Do you have any comment regarding these calls of the 27th of October 2020?
Kukhona ongakusho ngalama-call ange-27 October 2020?
Mina nkosi enkantolo ngangenafoni.
I had no phone, my lord.
Ifoni ithathwa ngo-16 mangiboshwa June.
The phone was taken from me on the 16th, on the day of my arrest, 16th of June.
Ngale ndlela le engilandela ngale efundwa ngumshushisi la.
As I am following that which is being read out by the prosecutor here,
Uma ngihamba ngesikhathi ngabo 1:12 ayibonakala ifoni yami ukuthi kuphi nendawo.
If I follow the time 12:1, it does not indicate as to where my phone is or the location of my phone is.
Izovela ngo9 esimukela ama SMS.
Then it appears at 9 accepting SMSs.
But you will see, sir, that call at 08:12:54 on the 27th of October 2020, when Mr. Mjiako's number called your number, the tower there was 3G Queenswood NGA.
Kodwa ke uzobona la ethi nge 27 October 2020 la ethi khona 8:12:54. Uma ke inamba yakho u6890 ithola ke ucingo olwabuya kuyona ke number kaMjiyako u7605 ukuthi lapha iyaveza ke ukuthi ke itower ethi 3G Queenswood.
Mina ngikhuluma ngale le ngo 8:12:54 wayo le 8:21 le sithi khomkonti valiwe futhi phone.
I'm now referring to the one just underneath that 08:22:21 where it indicates that my phone was now switched off.
Yes, and the tower is undefined for those two calls at 08:22:21 and 08:26:41.
Yebo kulamakhola amabini lana u08:22:21 lokhuluma ngaye nelandelayo 08:26:41 ekubhaliwe kuyasho ke lapho ukuthi ke amathawa ayiwasho noma ayiwachazi.
Ngithiya into engithiya ngibangazo wa mina mangizohamba nge-court eBosberg ngiseverele manje lapha la uyayibona ukuthi yawavesi lapha esawavesi manje ngikhona evelele ya kanjani.
That is what comes as a surprise or what amazes me because as I was about to travel or to go to court, I was in Valeria. So just above it indicates the tower, but now underneath there the towers are undefined. How so?
And okwesibili ngangingazi ukuthi ngizoya ecourt manga 27.
And secondly, I was not even aware that I was going to go to court on the 27th.
Iphoyisa lentshela ukuthi ngiye court amile lana escort umhane ngiqoka phambi kwawo la ijini iskipa itracksuit ngiqoka phambi kwawo.
And the police officer that informed me that I was going to go to court on that day was standing right there, Mukhane, as well as the escort. I got dressed in front of them.
Bangifaka ama-short stepis bangifaka ama-handcuff khona la.
They put me leg irons as well as handcuffs right there.
And as we have demonstrated yesterday regarding the proceedings of the Boksburg Magistrate Court, Exhibit EE, both you and Mr. Mjiako were at the Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 27th of October 2020.
Nanjengoba bese sikuvezile ngaphambili ukuthi ke nobabili wena naye umnumzana uMjiyako nanisenkantolo yase Boksburg ngazo i27 October 2020.
Akaze ngisho court umuntu akayami.
I never said to court that he did not go.
Then the next page is page 80 of 200, case ID 1031227. Your number ending 6890 on the 27th of October 2020 at 21:44:30 received an incoming text message, an empty SMS from Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Inamba yakho egcina ngo6890 nge-27 October 2020 isikhathi u21:44:30 yathola umlayezo ke phecelezi ke SMS owabuya kwinamba kaMjiyako egcina ngo7605 itower iQueenswood.
2 seconds later, your number ending 6890 on the 27th of October 2020 at 21:44:32 received an incoming text message, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Emuva ke kwamasekendi amabili number yakho egcina ngo6890 nge-27 ku-October 2020 isikhathi u-21:44:32 yathola umlayezo phecelezi i-SMS ebuya kuyona inamba kaMjiyako u7605 itower i-3G Queenswood NGA.
This is now after your court appearance on the 27th of October 2020.
Lana ke manje kusemuva ukuthi ke uvele noma wavela enkantolo ngazo i-27 ku-October 2020.
Do you remember as to what time you came back from court on the 27th of October 2020?
Ingabe usasikhumbula yini isikhathi owabuya ngaso enkantolo ngazo i-27 ka-October 2020?
Mina isikhathi angisazi ngangingenalo iwatch.
I don't know the time. I did not have a watch.
Ukube khona incwadi yaseValeria mhlawumbe bizongikhombisa.
If there was a book from Valeria, maybe it would have indicated.
But by those times mentioned, 21:44:30 and 21:44:32 on the 27th of October 2020, you were already back at Valera police cells.
Kodwa ngale inkathi lezi ezibhaliwe lana ngazo i-27 October 2020 u-21:44:30 21:44:32 wawusele ubuyele e-police station eValeria. Wawusele use-police station eValeria.
Ngangikhona e-police station ngingazi ukuthi ngabhukwa ngahanjiswa kwe-police station khona ngafanga kube khona incwadi ngizophendula i-arts okuyiyona maye i-arts lambuza ngangikwazi ukuyiphendula ngoba abangikhombisanga incwadi.
I was at the police station. Now I cannot be able to tell whether I was booked or taken to another police station. If there was a book here, I would have been able to respond to that question properly. But now, because you did not show me the book,
Yes, but we have shown you the order of the court, the Boksburg Magistrate Court, that you be detained at Valera police station
kodwa ke lokhu kona ke
when you appeared on the 27th of October 2020.
bese kufundeleke kodwa lokhu kona ke inkulumo yenkantolo ke lena ukuthi uma ngabe icala lehlehliswa inkantolo yasho ukuthi ke awubuyiselwe e-police station yaseValeria.
Mina ngiyethemba sengiphendula amahlandla amaningi lapha ekhoti ngiphendula lo atsala ngithi mina lapha eValeria ngangingahlali khona full time ingakho nje ngize ngacela ngathi ngicela ungilethele incwadi le yokuphuma kwami nokungena eValeria.
I've responded or answered to this question on numerous occasions or numerous times that at Valeria police station I was not kept there full time or at all times. Hence I then requested you to bring me the book from Valeria police station.
Ngoba kube wawulandela umthetho wecourt ngeke ungikhiphe eValeria ungise ePretoria mode kube wawulandela umthetho wecourt ngalendlela lo ngifundela ngayo lapha Nkosi enkantolo lesubuya.
Because if you had followed the court order as you are reading out to me now before this court, if you followed the court order, you would not have then taken me out or booked me out from Valeria police station to Pretoria Mood.
The last call is found on page 82 of 200, case ID 1031227, still exhibit DD5 in bracket E Roman figure 1.
Ikho yokugcina ke lena ke ekule page lena ke page 82.
Your number ending 6890 on the 28th of October 2020 at 17:59 and 32 seconds received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 828 seconds from Mr. Mjiako's number 079 03 97 605.
Manje ke inamba yakho egcina ngayo u6890 ngazo i28 October 2020 isikhathi u17:59:32 yathola ucingo olwalubuya kuyona inamba kamji yakho eku079 039 7605 isikhathi ke saleyo call leyo kwakho amasekendi awu828.
Do you have any comment regarding this call?
Kukhona ongakusho mayelana nalolu ucingo?
Mina nkosenkantolo ngangena phone.
I had no phone, my lord.
Ifoni ngiyathatha ngoJune 16.
The phone was taken from me on the 16th of June.
So then, in summary, Babantanzi, regarding the calls, there were 7 MOCs, or 7 outgoing calls from your number to Mr. Mjiako's number.
Epheleleke noma uma ngabe sifinyeza ke umnumzana uNtanzi ewonke ke kwakunama call ayo7 ayebuya kweyakho inamba eya kwinamba kamji yakho.
There were 3 incoming calls or MTCs from Mr. Mjiako's number to your number.
Kwakunama call ke amathathu ayebuya kwinamba kamji yakho eya kwinamba yakho.
There were 3 incoming messages, incoming text messages from Mr. Mjiako's number to your number, empty SMS.
Kube nama SMS nama phecelezi ke imlayezo ke emithathu eyayibuya kwinamba kamji yakho eya kwinamba yakho.
And there were 2 call forwards from Mr. Mjiako's number to your number.
Bese kuba ke naloko okubhalwa lana ke nanjengo CF la ukuthi khona ke ucingo ke lwaluvaliweke noma ke ucingo ke lwaya ku voicemail owakuya kumji yakho kuya kweyakho inamba.
There were altogether 27 communications between your number and Mr. Mjiako's number for the period 31 August 2020 to 28 October 2020.
Pheleleke noma ke kukonke ke ukuxhumana ke kwaba nokuxhumana amahlandla awu27 phakathi ke kwenamba kamji yakho kanye nenamba yakho ke ukusuka ngaso isikhathi sange31 August 2020 yofika ke ngazo i28 October 2020.
Do you have any comment?
Ukhona ongakusho?
Nkosenkantolo mina ngangena phone.
My lord, I had no phone.
Ifoni ngiyathatha ngoJune 16.
The phone was taken from me on the 16th of June.
Bese kuba khona lapha ngithi khona mina lapha phambi kwakho ikhotha sisizi awuyisizi ngeqiniso ngani ngoba mina ngithi ngicela uthi wena ekhotha umji yakho ngommeli wami ngicela ungicheckele ngale langa umji yakho manje ayiqala ukungibona nge24 kukhona nani okwenzeka ngefoni yami ngoba nokuthe ekhotha ngangi24 mina ngangena phone phambi kwamaphoyisa.
And the court, you are not assisting the court with the truth because you are claiming or alleging that Mjiako was my legal representative. And that's requesting that on the day of the 24th, as you are alleging that I was in possession of a phone, as to whether is there a record or is there where it indicates that something happened on that day between myself and Mjiako.
Now, in summary, Mr. Ntanzi, we make the following proposition to that one. Given the evidence of Brigadier Gininda regarding events of the 23rd of June 2020, at Pretoria North Police Station. I'm sorry, Pretoria Mwet Police Station, regarding your interaction with him and Mr. Mjiako in the cells.
Uma senza ke isifinyezo noma sikufinyeza ke lo sithi ke masithatha ke ubufakazi bakhe uBrigadier Gininda ngalokho okwenzeka ke epolice station yase Pretoria Mood nge-23 zika June 2020.
Sorry, it's Pretoria North.
Pretoria North.
Yes. And yes, and the next proposition is that, given the fact that Mr. Mjiako appeared against the next day at Boksburg Magistrate Court,
nokuthi ke ngelanga elilandelayo wabe ese umnumzana uMjiyako evela ke enkantolo yase Boksburg
on the 24th of June 2020, when you appeared before Magistrate Cronje for a confession.
Evela ke kuyona inkantolo yase Boksburg ngazo i-24 zika June 2020 ngesikhathi ke wenza ke istatement esogonyuluka phambi kwakhe ke uMantshi uCronje.
And also given the fact that Mr. Mjiako made an appearance again at Tlhabane Court on the dates that we have demonstrated yesterday, the 13th of, according to Exhibit RR, 13th of July 2020.
Nokuthi futhi ke wabe ese evela ke enkantolo yase Tlhabane yena ke umnumzana uMjiyako ama dates lana esiwashilo ke i-13 zika July 2020.
The 3rd of August 2020.
Gate 3 zika August 2020.
The 20th of August 2020.
The 20 of August 2020.
The 5th of October 2020.
The 5 October 2020. Yeah.
The 11th of November 2020.
11th November 2020.
And that Ms. Chia from his firm appeared on the 22nd of January 2021.
Nokuthi ke uMiss Chia wayebuya ke kwi-firm ke asebenza kuyona ke umnumzana uMjiyako uyena ke owaba senkantolo nge-22 January 2021.
The 27 communication that we have referred to,
no kuxhumana ke amahlandla la awu-27 esesiwashilo
between your number and Mr. Mjiako's number for the period 31 August 2020 to 28 October 2020.
Kuxhumana ke lokho phakathi ke kwenamba yakho kanye futhi nenamba yakhe ke umnumzana uMjiyako isikhathi ke suka nge-31 August 2020 kuyofika ke nge-28 October 2020.
Mr. Mjiako's appearance for you at the Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 27th of October 2020 and 27th of November 2020.
Ukuvela ke kwakhe umnumzana uMjiyako enkantolo eBoksburg ngazo i-27 zika October 2020 nange-27 zika November 2020.
Based on that is indicative of the fact that there was attorney-client relationship between you and Mr. Mjiako.
Ukuthi ke ngenxa yakho ko
the court persisted, but my lord, this is not necessarily an objection. When the question was first posited, reference was made to the 23rd of October 2020 And my learned colleague mentioned something to the effect that there was an interaction between or amongst himself, Brigadier Gininda, Mr. Ntanzi and Mr. Mjiako, but that was never completed. I don't know what was said in relation to that in particular.
Yes, firstly, Council is referring to 23rd October. We did not refer to 23rd October. We referred to 23rd June 2020. That according to the evidence of Brigadier Gininda, that on the 23rd of June 2020 at Pretoria North Police Station, that there was interaction between him, Mr. Mjiako, and Mr. Ntanzi.
As the court pleases, on that basis, on that aspect of the proposition, I would object and say that that is unfair. What Gininda says, it's hearsay. Mr. Ntanzi denies that he had an interaction with Mjiako in the presence of Gininda, and Mr. Mjiako has been here to testify to confirm what Gininda has told his court.
But they say it's the leading hearsay evidence.
Well, we putting the evidence of Brigadier Gininda. It's not hearsay. He was there. It's something that he himself experienced.
That's what he says.
Yes, and we've put his evidence on record.
Exactly my point. That's what he says. What does Mjiako say? Mjiako is in the
No, but he's making the submission that he's quoting the evidence of Gininda,
Yes, indeed, my lord.
not any other person.
Yes.
So as I understand it, if Rata says I play for Kaizer Chiefs, that can't be hearsay. Okay.
Yes, but we've seen Rata playing for Chiefs and Pirates.
Yes.
Can't be hearsay.
If I play for Pirates, 1962 up to 70, it's not hearsay. And I play for Chiefs,
Mjiako and Gininda and Ntanzi.
it's not hearsay. You have ruled. It's not hearsay.
That's the court pleases.
Okay.
Masiqadelela ke inkulumo leyo ke qala ke uthi ke umshushisi khona konke lokhu akushilo ke ngokubufakazi bakhe uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi ke kwakhona ke ukuhlangana noma ke bandawonye ke ngazo i23 zika June 2020 uyena ke wayekhona umjiyako kanye futhi nawe ke uthi ke umshushisi uma ikusho konke ke lokhu abesekushilo ke ekhuluma futhi nangokuxhumana ke lokwenzeka amahlandla awu27 ukuthi konke lokho kuyinkomba yokuthi ke kwakukhona ke ubudlelwane obabukhona phakathi kukaMjiyako nanjengommeli kanye nawe nanjengomuntu ayemmele.
Kosenkantolo akubona iqiniso.
My lord, that's not true.
Ngizocela nje ukuthi ikhothe ngithi ukuyibeka lesithombeni. Kosenkantolo mangiboshwa kumhani noMabhena.
I would like to just put the court into the picture. Firstly, my lord, I was arrested by Mukhane and Mabena.
Ma ufika police station la, kubhale number kaMkhane.
When you get to the police station, Mukhane's number is recorded there.
Ayibhalangi number kaGininda.
Gininda's number is not recorded there.
uGininda utshela ikhothe ukuthi bamfonele ePretoria North ngisakhumbula kahle.
Gininda informs the court that he received a call from, it's either Pretoria Mut or Pretoria North, I can't remember well.
Bayithatha phi number kaGininda mabemfonela ngoba ubhale number kaMkhane phansi.
Where did they get Gininda's number? Because it's Mukhane's number that's recorded there.
Azange ngasanela uGininda kosenkantolo police station angelangele wona.
Not a single day did Gininda ever sign for me at the police station.
Okwesithathu ayikho incwadi ekhombisa ukuthi lapha ngavakashelwa ilawyer police station.
Thirdly, my lord, there is no book that indicates there that a lawyer visited me at the police station.
Njengamanje lapho uGininda kuthiwa uBrigadier ayikho incwadi ayisayinile ukuthi ufikile kimi ePretoria North.
Right now, Gininda is referred to or called as a brigadier, but there is no book that he signed that he visited or he came to Pretoria North.
Umshushisi ngifundela incwadi yase Jimisting ePretoria Primrose wathi akukho okubhale khona ukuthi uGininda wafika kimi.
The prosecutor read out a book from Primrose that there is nowhere where it's recorded that Gininda came to see me.
Manje utshela icourt ukuthi wafika kimi nelawyer kuphi lapha sign khona abhale khona.
Now he informs
njengoBrigadier.
Now he informs the court that he came to see me together with a legal representative. So where did he sign like a brigadier or as a brigadier?
Nkosi enkantolo akho neqiniso lelo.
My lord, that's not true.
Nelawyer akasifike ke nkosi enkantolo.
Even the lawyer never came to me, my lord.
Yena ufikile ke mahamba nomkhula noMabhena. Akukho lapha abhale khona ukuthi wafika ke nomkhula noMabhena.
He came to see me in the company of Mukhula and Mabena. Nowhere did he record that he came to me together with Mukhula and Mabena.
So lokwe lawyer kulona iqiniso.
So the issue of the lawyer is not true.
Ngiyayema lapha nkosi enkantolo.
Up to that, stop them, my lord.
Now, when you say Brigadier Gininda came to see you with Sergeant Mukhula and Mabena, which date are you referring to?
Uma uthi weza ke ezokubona ehamba noMukhula noMabena ukhuluma ngayiphi date?
Mina uginile ufike gayiwana kimi ngise police station hamba nomkhula noMabhena.
It was only once when I was at the police station when Gininda came to see me in the company of Mukhula and Mabena.
Angikhulumi ngelanga le lase boardroom. Khoma nje efika kimi nomkhula noMabhena. Ilanga le1. Kwangena lawyer ngenani.
I'm not referring to the date of the boardroom, but it was only one day. He was in the company of Mukhula and Mabena. There was no lawyer.
Even kwawena mshushisi uthi wena utshena icourt uthi uGininda uthi bamfonela bayithatha phi number ke police station kuma inamba kaMhane ebhalwe phansi.
Even you yourself, prosecutor, you are informing the court that Gininda says that they called him. Where did they get his number from? Because it's Mukhane's number that's there.
Okay, ilawyer afike police station izongivisit. Sekufanele ifonela amaphoyisa ukuthi izongivisit.
The lawyer comes to see me at the police station or comes to visit me at the police station. Must the lawyer now phone the police to inform the police that he came to visit me?
Nangu babura msipili uyafika ke mejele akaze ngibuze ukuthi ufanele umkhulu ufanele umlawuzi ufanele umkwele weza ke mejele zokuza akaze ngibuze uqala ukuzwa namhlanje nje.
Yes, Mr. Ramusipile, he will come and visit me at the in prison or in prison. I've never heard him saying he called Mukhula, Mulawuzi or Mukwena. I'm hearing this for the very first time today.
Ingakho nje nikhona uma ekhuluma ingamanga hlaza lona iqiniso.
Hence, I am telling the court that what is being said or what you are telling the court, it's lies. It's not the truth.
Yes. So we ask you a very simple question as to, you mentioned that Brigadier Gininda came to see you with Sergeant Mukhula and Sergeant Mabena. We ask you as to when did that take place?
Sikubuze nje umbuzo lula. Uthe uBrigadier Gininda weza ezokubona ehamba noMukhula noMabena. Siyabuza ukuthi kwakunini, liphi ilanga lelo?
Ilanga ngisakhumbula nesikhathi ngoba ayikho into engathi ngangikade ukuthi umuntu ufika ngasiphi isikhathi ngifika ngaliphi ilanga.
I can't remember the date as well as the time because there was nothing to me that would or where I was on the lookout for someone to come and see me and say that I was on the lookout for a particular day, that a particular person would come and see me.
Ngoba namanje nje mina ngimile phambi kwekatolo ngisho nginamavika ayi3 kuwo. Akukho lapho ngitshena khona ukuthi itanzi kubophele lokho nalokho why siphi izathu ezithi ngishushisa awangitshene lutho phambi kwecourt.
Even now, as I'm standing before this court, you've been dealing with me for 3 weeks. You haven't put it to me that the reason why you are prosecuting me is because of this and that. You haven't said that to me.
Right. Do you remember at which police station this visitation occurred?
Is it the one Gininda Mukhula?
Yes, when Brigadier Gininda came to see you with Sergeant Mukhula and Sergeant Mabena.
Ingabe uyakhumbula ukuthi kwakuyiphi police station uma beza ke uBrigadier Gininda uMukhula noMabena bezobona?
Ngithemela ama police station la ngiwahlala okamanenga ngisayikhumbula ipolice station kuyona ngqonqo ukuthi yona yiphi phakathi kwawo.
I did say before the court that I was at different police stations here, so I can't remember exactly as to which one amongst them
Kodwa
it was.
akusiyivereli.
But it was not Valeria.
But ama police station itu Pretoria North ne Pretoria North lapha ngangihlala khona ama police station ithola.
It's between the two police stations where I was kept, Pretoria North and Pretoria Mut, between those two.
We have Traverse Exhibit YY with you. This is the letter that Brigadier Gininda testified about that he received from Mr. Mjiako.
Bese sikhombisile ke sifundeleke incwadi lena ke ekuyizibiti uYY ekuyincwadi ke uBrigadier Gininda atshela inkantolo ukuthi iyona ayithola kumjiyako.
ayithola nami ngekhona.
In my presence.
Yes, that is his evidence.
Yes, yebo kufakazi bakhe.
Akulona iqiniso la.
That's not true.
Azange ngivakashele lo police station.
I was never visited by a lawyer at the police station.
Brigadier Gininda further testified that since it was COVID times, that is the reason why he was contacted.
uBrigadier Gininda okunye akutshela inkantolo ukuthi isizathu sokuthi baxhumane naye ingoba kwakuyisikhathi secorona.
Angithi akulona iqiniso lela. Ngazange ngivakashele lo police station.
I'm saying that's not true. I was never visited by a lawyer at the police station.
And we just want to make the correction there. According to Exhibit SS, you were detained at Pretoria Mood Police Station
Silungiseke lapho
on the 23rd of June 2020.
nge-23 zika-June 2020 ngokwalelo zibithi-ke umshushisi athi uyalifunda u-SS i-police station okuyona kwakuyi-Pretoria Mood.
Ngikhishoba ngikhiphela ungisako.
Who booked me out to take me where?
No. You were not booked when Brigadier Gininda visited you on the 23rd of June 2020. You were detained at Pretoria Mood Police Station.
Hayi ukuthi wakhishwa uma uBrigadier Gininda wayeya kuwena kwakunge-23 zika-June 2020 i-police station kwakuyona kwakuyi-Pretoria Mood. Hayi ukuthi wakhishwa.
Yes.
Okay.
And this we see in his evidence on the 28th of November 2023, page 60,
Fakazi bakhe bange-28 November 2023.
line 15 says, "My Lord, I arrived there. I think it would have been after an hour or 1.5 hours because it was a bit far from Pretoria Mood. And I found accused two with a gentleman who identified himself as Mr. Mjiako. As his attorney, accused two confirmed that this was his attorney.
Laphayana kuloko kufundwayo-ke la uGininda uBrigadier Gininda atshela inkantolo khona ukuthi kwamthatha ihora noma-ke ihora elinesigaba ukuthi ayofika khona-ke lapho ngoba kwakukude ePretoria Mood. Uma efika lapho-ke uthola umsola wesibili enomlisa thizeni, umlisa loyo-ke owasho-ke wena kuyena uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi ummeli wakho, naye umlisa loyo wayichaza-ke ukuthi uwumjiyako.
Kusenkantolo ayilona iqiniso.
My Lord, that's not true.
Nanka amalo yahlela mayeza ema-police station ezemajele khona bayibhala khona phansi incwadi ayibhalayo iphe eyakhe angena ngayo kimi.
Here are the lawyers seated here. When they visit police stations as well as prisons, they document somewhere, or there are books where they would document or sign. My Lord, where is his?
Mina lapha ngize ngatshela icourt isibonela ngathi ngihlale eHosi Makhulu ubaba uRamsipile emeze ejele khona lapha bangisayinisa khona bethi ile ufunwa iloya kuthiwa sayina la kubhalwe igama lami ngibhala mangifika kubaba uRamsipile uphethe slip abanika sona egate. Lethi slip ngifike ngasayina nyana sectionini baphinde nabayasayina ukuthi ade ngineloya siphe sakhe.
I made an example that I'm kept at Hosi Mampuru. When the Mr. Ramusipile comes to see me at Hosi Mampuru, I would be asked to sign and told that the lawyer has come to visit you. Mr. Ramusipile would come with a receipt that I would take to the section. So where is his?
And as we put it to you yesterday, Brigadier Gininda further testified on the 28th of November 2023, page 59, as to your inquiry now as to why did they seek his permission. He testified that on the 23rd of June 2020, he received a call from Pretoria Mood Police Station where you were detained, where he was informed that there's an attorney who wants to consult with you, and they wanted to check if they should allow such a person.
Kubufakazi bakhe abethula-ke lana enkantolo-ke ukuthi babemfunelani-ke noma kwakungani bemfuna-ke lapho e-police station. Watshela inkantolo-ke ukuthi wathola ucingo babe sebemtshela ukuthi-ke kunommeli ofisa-ke ukuthi ahlale phansi akhulumisane nomsolwa ukuthi akhulumisane naye-ke umsolwa nokuthi-ke babefisa nje ukuthi baqinisekise-ke kuyena ukuthi babengamvumela yini.
He then said,
Senkantolo ayilona iqiniso kakhulu.
My lord, that what is being said here is not true.
Okokuqala kasho uGinini ukuthi ufonele ubani, ufonele ngumnisi, ufonele uNqumalo or ufonele uJonas, akasho lapha yabo uthi ngifonele e-police station. Kusho ukuthi la into engekho le inzwabethi ngesizulu.
Firstly, Guinin, that does not indicate as to who specifically phoned him, whether it was Mnisi, Nqumalo, Jonas. He just says he received a call from the police station. So that is just hearsay.
Ubragadilo esikhuluma ngayo lapha ekhona.
And that's a brigadier that we are referring to here in this court.
he further testified that he advised them to allow this person to consult with you and that he will be making his way just to confirm the status of this individual.
Ubufakazi bakhe kumayiqhubeka-ke nabo ukuthi-ke esebatshela-ke ukuthi bangamvumela-ke ukuthi-ke angakhuluma nawe ngaleso sikhathi-ke yena uzobe-ke esendleleni-ke eya khona lapho.
Kusenkantolo ayilona iqiniso le.
My lord, that's not true.
Uze noma umshushisa ibeka phambi ko uthi bengamvumela. Ubize ubani lapha engikhona? Utshena ubani ukuthi ngila e-police station?
Even as the state is putting it that he said they can allow or they may allow the person. Who told him that I was there at the police station?
As a court, please, my lord, it's time for the long adjournment. Can we take the long adjournment at this point?
Yeah, fine. Okay.